had many dogs at home when she had all 4 puppies. But we were just talking about mothers, when they're pregnant and give birth, they go through chemical changes in their body that teach them to be protective and defensive. So even though she's not pregnant anymore and none of her children are at home, when someone gets close to her body or things that she wants to protect, like Jelly Bean or Mommy or whatever it is, she tends to be a little bit more aggressive. But she does like to play with other dogs, and she wants to, and you can see that on her face about the fact that she'll wander out, right?
I assume that he'll just jump on my lap if it gets too intense.
From a distance.
Oops.
That's it. She's growling. That's not mean growling. She's... And then Stanley gets close and it's mean. Oh, friends! Lily gained 1.5 pounds since I brought her home. Or she went... Later. She went from 21 pounds to 22.5. Laser.
How do you weigh him?
You weigh yourself and then you pick up the dog and you step on the scale again.